is being recorded.
Okay. So let me know if you can able to see. You guys able to see, right? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, screen kanipistunదా?
నాకు అనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
Okay. Okay. So we will start with requirements discussion. Okay. We'll start with requirements, then we'll proceed with the technology stack which we need to use for the development and how to do it with that so technology. We'll see in depth. Okay. So the first requirement, the project title is, so the project title, we want to build a student management system, a kind of LMS. We can call it as learning management system also. Learning management system. So as we thought, we want to provide a sign up page for a student, a kind of sign up page like this. We want to provide a registration page. Requirement, first one is student registration page. So this registration page should available public available. So anybody can access it. Anybody can access it. So publicly it should be available. Anybody should able to access, and the UI should look like this. Okay. UI should look like, we need a form. That form needs a title. Okay. A HTML page like this. In that HTML page, we provide a title. So here on title, we'll have some text. RPU sign up form. So anybody should able to access this page. Here they should able to do their registration, self-registration. They themselves, they can able to register here. Okay, HTML simple form we can design like this. Okay, we can design our view sign up form. So in this sign up form, the requirements are, we want to take user inputs, or here we want to enter fields. Just a minute. So here I want a name field in the registration page, email, required password, and remaining details, confirm password, so you know the use of confirm password, right? Whatever password he entered, the same password when he repeat, he would able to remember what he entered while doing registration. Otherwise, while one time registration, if he forget what he entered here, he will lost his sign up. Anyway, we can provide forget password kind of use case also if you forget completely his password. Okay, confirm password and many other fields I want to provide here, like phone number, in this registration form only, phone, address, okay, we will add few more fields, we will add few more, and one file upload also, user image, we will provide one file upload here to upload his image, photo. All these are inputs. We want to take these as inputs. Hello?
Yes, Navin.
Yeah. So photo, browse. So this is how I want. These all are my fields. Few more fields also required. We can add. So this is my sign up form. So from here, when he do sign up using sign up button, I would able to register it. Let me do this in the paint. Okay. So here I want to provide text boxes to enter data, name, email, password, confirm password. Okay, sir. Then choose sir. Address. So for photo, some kind of browse option we will get. The browse button I want to use here, and one submit button. So this is my mockup. We call it as mockup, which means a simple design page. To understand to the developers, we will create these mockups, okay, so that they can understand how the user interface should be. Sign up button, one button here. So this is my page. So this kind of registration form I want. Okay. So this is my sign up form. So second requirement is login. Second requirement is login form. Once user done with sign up, he should able to log in. Okay. Login form. Okay. So for the sign up form, we need a database table. Okay. We need a database table to store this data: name, email, password, phone number, address. These all things we need to save, right? So this is the requirement. For this requirement, whenever we get the requirement right, first step, we need to understand how their user interface they want to be, right? This is how they want user interface. So once drawing with user interface, you need to identify all the fields which they want. So this is the page they want. For this page, what are all the fields required? Name, email, password, phone number, address, like this we have, right? So if there are anything more, we need to collect everything: name, email, phone, address, right? Password, so like courses interested in, courses interested. Okay. If you can consider these are all the fields. If few more required, we will add. Okay. So for these fields, we need to create a database table. We know how to create that, right? So we need to create a database table for this so and so fields. Even we have photo also. Photo also, if you want to save in database, we can save. Okay, there are many approaches. First, we will go with database approach only. Okay, these all are the fields. For these fields, you need to create a table. In database, you know, right, how to create table. Create table, student table, or student RBU. Right, we have fields. ID. Every student will have a number and name. Varchar 2 data type. The required length. Name generally, it may not exceed more than 200. Give 200. And the remaining fields also. Name after email, phone number, right? We need to create appropriate table to store the data. Whenever we sign up, right, that data need to store into database table. So here, this is the table that we need to create it in database, right? This is the table that we need to create it in database so that I can able to save this form data. I can able to save this form data. So all the remaining fields also we need to provide. Okay, one requirement is done. We know how to create this page and how to read the data and how to save it in database. Okay, we will choose technology based on our knowledge. We will choose technology. If it is servlets, using servlets we can do. Using Spring also we can do. We plan to do it using Spring, right? We'll do it in Spring. Spring is easy to make this kind of applications. Okay. So once sign up is done, user second requirement is student login. Student should log in. So again, we need a login page. In login page, should have username, password field, and one OTP field. Every time when he want to join, I want to generate a OTP to the mail. We enter OTP or else a private key which we provide. That private key he need to enter. After sign up, he know his username and password. But this private key we will generate and share. Okay, about private key, we will create one more screen that admin need to do that. So username, password, once he enter using private key, he need to enter private key and he should log in here. We'll provide one login button. So this is the second screen, login. So private key who will provide registration is done. Registration data will store into this table. Between private key who should generate, either we need to generate through the system or else admin should generate it. Admin should generate it. So during sign up, if you generate a private key, as an admin, we will go and see his private key and we will share it. Okay. So that he will enter same private key here. Private key will provided by admins only. Student login fields. Student login fields are username, password, and private key. This will share by admin or institute management. Let's say you join to RBU. So RBU know about your private key. If you call them, they will tell us. Just a second. Hello. Okay. So private key user will provide. I mean the admin user. Private key, this will share by admin. Okay. So student need to log in using this private key. These are all the fields. Okay. So for logging in, username, password, where we need to check when we click on the login, already username, password will store in this table, right? So this table only we need to go and check whether that username and password is exist with this so and so private key or not. If that is there, then we should allow him to log in. Okay, this is also fine. So the third page, student dashboard. Once after login, student needs a dashboard. Student dashboard. Student dashboard. So student dashboard, something like this. He logged in as a user. He logged in. This is his page. In this page, at the right hand side here, I want to show his name. Let's say if the user is Naveen Kumar, the username, or Rajesh, like this. Okay, put his name. So the name of the user with his image will show his image here with some buttons. Here I want to show his profile and the logout. These two links I want to provide. When he click on profile, I want to show just his profile information. Okay, this is one link and this is another link. I want to provide two links, profile link and logout link. Okay. So here, while clicking on button, or else we will provide some breadcrumbs like this here, one button, something like this here. So when he click on that button, or when he click on the name, when he click on this name, we'll show this profile and logout options. So as he logged in, right, we will show here our company title, RBU, LMS, our company title here, and our company logo here. Here we'll show our company logo. So this is all we need to put it on our requirement. Okay. So, or else whoever is requesting for this application, right? That particular vendor logo here, their application title we need to put, and this application we can call this as header. Okay, this is one page for them. This is header. So in header I want to show this information. Okay, so in header I want to show this information. This is one page. On that web page header I want to show this information, and left side I want to maintain a menu here. I want to maintain a menu here and body here. Okay, so this is the menu and this is the body section. Okay, header section, menu section, and this is body. Body and footer. If you want to put something copyrights information, I want to show that copyrights information at the bottom. If you want to do that, you can put that at the bottom here, bottom of the page, like copyrights. Just a minute. Okay, copyrights @RBU 2022 to 2023, something like this. If you want to put, you can put that. And here in this menu section I want to show all the courses. Okay, so all the available courses for him, like if I am providing core Java link, Spring link, Spring Boot, like this, whatever options I have here, SQL, project, support, all these links I want to show here. So whenever he click on a particular link, whenever he click on core Java or any other link, right? So if he clicks on this link, user core Java link, I want to show here the core Java content. Core Java content I want to show here as a menu. I want to show here like all the topics. I want to show when he click on this, I want to show the topics here. The topic 1, and topic 2, topic 3, like this. So all the topics I want to show here. So whatever number of topics it will have. So by default, I want to highlight topic 1. By default, I will highlight this topic 1, and the topic 1 related content I'll show here. Topic 1 related content. Topic 1 related content I'll show here in the body. So when user clicks on it, when user clicks on this, right? When user click on this, this is also a requirement, right? We need to code for this one. Click on a link. Which link? Any of this link. He clicked on this link. Then automatically it will show this menu. So from this menu, by default, this one it will show here. So what it will show? This particular topic 1 description, right? All the description content. All the description content here it will show. Complete body you can use for this one. Okay, complete page you can use this for. printing content, images, if you have anything, right? Particular pictures about that topic. If you have any images, right? Photos you can put here, that particular topic photos, pics, right? And for that particular topic, if you have any videos, you can put that videos here so that they can go through that pics and videos. They can familiarize videos. And if you want to attach example links or example code attachments here, code links for download. All this I want to provide here in this page. Okay. So the pictures, videos, coding links, description, everything related to the topic. When you click on next topic, again, that particular topic description, text, videos, everything I want to show here. Okay. So this is how I want to show that particular student dashboard. Okay. This is one student dashboard. When he log in, he could able to see it. Similar way, anybody can sign up. They can log in. They should be able to see this. So this is my third requirement. This is my third requirement, student dashboard. Student dashboard is the third requirement. Okay, these are just mock-ups. Okay, first we start with this mock-up designs. Okay, before going to implementation, at least for client understanding and our understanding, right? We'll create such mock-ups and we will explain them. Is this the requirement that you want, or else do you want to change anything? So that from these images or pictures, they easily understand. Okay, how their application is going to be. Okay, so this is the scope that we show to them. This is how we design and we show to them. And if they agree with it, we can proceed with the implementation. We can design this page using HTML. You know, right? All these pages we use HTML to design sign up page or login page or dashboard page. But the data reading and posting, everything we do from Java, backend Java and database we will use. Okay, this is student thing. What about admin? Who will post these courses? Who will create these courses and who will create this content? Admin need to do that. So for doing this, we need one admin dashboard. Okay, we need one admin dashboard. How it should look like. So here, admin dashboard. As an admin, consider I'm an admin here. You all are students. So I log in by using the same dashboard. I will log in as I know what is my username, password, and what is my private key. I can able to log into this application. So for me, again, same kind of dashboard here, same kind of header here. So here admin, whoever logs in, admin username and his pick. And same profile, and if you want to update his profile and log out, the same options we provide here. Okay. And here the title and company logo. And here I need two options. One is create courses, one link. When I click on this create courses, it should allow me to create new courses. Once after creation of course, topics it need to create topic. So when as an admin, when I click on this create courses, it should allow me to create courses. So in our previous student login, when student login, he should able to see the course names first. When he click on particular course name, he should able to see topics list here. And from the topics, he should able to see the topic description, images and videos, all right. So the same thing I want to do here. So when I click on create course, I want one form here, course name, course description, course name, course description. I want to put here, and the version. If you want to put the version, which version it is, it's not required. So the basically course name, like if it is core Java, I'll enter core Java here, and core Java description I'll enter, and I'll click on create. I click on create. So whatever new course I'll create here, right? If I enter new course here, Spring. If I enter new course Spring here and Spring description, and when I click on create, that new course name should populate here as a student, right? If you refresh your page, you will see one Spring option here. If I create .NET option, you can see here. If I create mainframe option, you should see here. So that list, the left side list, first I am creating here from the admin. So once after creation with this, when I click on create topic, so the internal topics also it should be able to create. So this is one admin option. This is one admin option. Admin create course option I want. The second one, admin create topics for course. So topics I want to create for courses. So same thing, when I click on create topic, for whom it need to show the topic for a particular course. Okay, I clicked on topic. So when you click on topic, it will show the drop down. Already you created courses. So pick one course from the drop down. Here we'll put one drop down option. So when you click on this particular drop down option, it will show all the list of courses